Hello everyone, welcome back to another video for today. Today we have our 3-day SBC outlook. We already have day one popped up, so let's just get right into it. We do have two slight risk areas, one for Colorado, northwestern Kansas, and then central and southwest Nebraska. And then we have one in Pennsylvania, New York, Vermont, New Hampshire, Maine, Massachusetts, Connecticut, Rhode Island, New Jersey, and Maryland. And then we have a marginal risk in New Mexico, Texas, Oklahoma, Kansas, Colorado, Nebraska, South Dakota, Wyoming, Montana, North Dakota, and Idaho. And then we have one going down to Ohio, Kentucky, Virginia, West Virginia, Pennsylvania, Maryland, Delaware, New Jersey, New York, Vermont, New Hampshire, Maine, Rhode Island, Connecticut. Okay. We have two 15% chance areas of seeing hail 1 inch in diameter in the slight risks. And then we do have two 15% chances of seeing wind gusts of 65 or of 50 knots or stronger. We do have a hatch risk of 15% hatch risk of seeing wind gusts of 65 knots or stronger. And we do have our tornado threat at a 2%, so low but not zero, so a tornado could happen. As we go to day 2, so tomorrow's we have two slight risks, one in eastern Nebraska, western Iowa, and northern Kansas, and then one in Montana and North Dakota. Slight risk in New Mexico, Texas, Oklahoma, Kansas, Nebraska, a little bit of Missouri, Iowa, Minnesota, and a little bit extreme southeastern corner of South Dakota. And then we have one in another marginal risk in North Dakota, Montana, and extreme northwestern South Dakota. So hail, 15% chances of seeing hail within the slight risks. Wind, there's 15% chances of seeing wind gusts of 50 knots or stronger. And there is a tornado threat. It is 2%, which extends as far west as Platte County and as far east in Nebraska as Douglas County. So that is for tomorrow. And then as we go to day 3, we have a pretty large marginal risk stemming from Wyoming, pretty much all of South Dakota, Minnesota, Iowa, Wisconsin, Michigan, and pretty much just the northern part of Nebraska. Probabilistic, a 5% chance of seeing severe weather within 25 miles of the given point. 3 days out, so we don't know a whole lot, but it's pretty low. So I expect the day 3 outlook to be fairly tame, but I could be wrong. I have been wrong before, so I could be wrong again. But okay, showing up right now. Next scan, storms there. Yeah, so show much from the severe, and I didn't think he was going to. With everything being low percentages, I didn't expect this to show much. So yeah, but I think that'll do it for today's video, guys. If you liked it, make sure to hit that like button. If you're new here, make sure you're subscribed so you get up to date on every video. Tell your friends and family about these videos. Tell them to subscribe if they haven't already. Yeah, I think that'll do it. You know what, guys? I'm going to see you in the next one. Peace.